Hey everyone, my name is Anthony McCree, owner of Boosted Lighting Solutions. Today I'd like to show you how to install the #1 engine bay lighting kit on the market today for your 2020 and up C8 Corvette Coupe. Our patent pending design was engineered and built right here in the USA, specifically for the C8 Coupe. It features a sleek design with a thoughtful layout that makes it appear as though your Corvette came equipped with it from the factory. To learn more about the C8 engine bay lighting kit and all the unique features it has to offer, visit our website linked below. The kit includes a left and right LED enclosure, a custom power and LED wiring harness, zip ties, push-in nuts, fasteners, and a remote control to control the LEDs with included batteries. Tools needed to install the kit are a 1/4-inch ratchet, short extension, 7mm socket, T15 Torx bit, flush cuts, lug nut socket, and a floor jack. Ensure the hatch is fully opened. Our first step is to install the push-in fasteners. On this vehicle specifically, we already have them installed. If your vehicle came with the engine appearance package, these push-in nuts will already be installed. Be sure the push-in nuts are installed in the orientation shown. Next, we'll roughly lay out the LED harness. We'll then plug in one of the LED enclosures. You can choose to start on the left or right side. In our case, we started on the right. Once that's plugged in, take your 7mm socket and short extension and begin to fasten the right-hand enclosure to the vehicle. Take your 1/4-inch ratchet and snug up the fasteners. Now we'll move over to the left of the vehicle and repeat the same steps for the left-hand enclosure. When you're finished tightening the enclosure fasteners, use the included zip ties to secure the wiring harness to the OE harness in these locations. Next, loosen the fastener located above the rear window just enough to slide in our custom designed wiring harness retainers. These retainers were specifically located on the wiring harness during manufacturing, but they can be adjusted if needed. Slide the retainer underneath the fastener and torque it down while holding it steady to ensure it stays straight. Gently lift up the rear quarter window and slide the harness behind it. Locate the 2 fender screws and use a T15 Torx bit to loosen the fasteners, just enough to slide the retainer underneath. You only need to unscrew these a few threads. Torque these bolts down. With the tab on the connector facing towards the front of the vehicle, push the connector down the drain hole. The harness was specifically designed to be as slim as possible to prevent any obstruction of water flow in this area. Cut the zip tie excess using flush cuts. Next, we'll be removing the rear left wheel. Please ensure your car is safely jacked up and secured before proceeding. To access the area where we'll be installing the power harness, part of the fender liner will need to be removed using 7mm and T15 Torx sockets. Remove these two 7mm sockets located under the rear rocker. Next, remove these T15 Torx fasteners. Position the fender liner behind the brake caliper to keep it in place. Next, we'll be locating the connector we routed through the drain hole. Even though all components are water resistant, it's best practice to leave a drip loop here. This allows water to drip off the lowest point of the loop rather than accumulating at the connector, preventing the low risk of potential moisture ingress. With this in mind, place a zip tie here. We'll then take our power harness and connect it to the LED harness. Secure it using a zip tie. The fuse will already be installed and can be accessed from the top of the engine bay if needed. Follow the OE harness routing and secure the power harness using zip ties. At this point, we'll locate the fan connector. While holding the fan connector, press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Follow the OE routing and zip tie the harness here. Next, plug in the male and female connectors until you hear an audible click. For those concerned with tapping into this circuit, rest assured, we've done extensive testing to ensure there are no issues using this circuit with our proprietary patent-pending design. Position the harness as needed to remove the slack, ensuring it follows the contour of the OEM harness, and zip tie it as shown. Before proceeding, it's important to check all connections to ensure all connectors and zip ties are secured. Test the LEDs by inserting the included batteries into the remote and pressing the on button. Both the left and right hand LED enclosures should illuminate. If not, recheck the connections or check our troubleshooting steps linked in the description below. Reinstall the fender liner and torque down your lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification of 140 foot-pounds. Congratulations, your install is now complete. We'll have a full video tutorial soon on how to use the remote and web app, but I'll give you a quick overview on how to use your new engine bay lights. Your kit will come with this sleek remote and is pre-programmed specifically for each individual product. To power on your lights, press the on button. To turn off your lights, press the off button. The half moon will initiate a 60-minute off timer. Button 1 will cycle through a variety of colors. Button 2 will cycle through a number of effects. Buttons 3 and 4 are reserved for your custom color and effect. For example, I created a custom Sebring orange color, and by pressing button 3, my lights will display Sebring orange. For button 4, I chose to set this as the lightning animation. By default, button 3 will be white and button 4 will be a multicolor change. And finally, to adjust the brightness, press the plus and minus sign accordingly. If you want to see more advanced settings to truly customize the lights to your liking, check out our LED controller tutorial. We're extremely grateful and excited to offer this product to all C8 Corvette Coupe owners. If you're interested in being among the first to see all the new and innovative products we have coming, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop a comment below or email us at info@boostedls.com. Thank you for choosing Boosted Lighting Solutions. Enjoy standing out from the crowd.